Good evening. This is not a TikTok because I don't know how to do that. I don't have it. But cheers. Here's to the new Rotary Grater. Probably backwards. You can get it on Amazon. I'm not a spokesperson yet because I don't know how this is going to go. But you do hook it up. It looks like a little Tykes toy. Lock it in. It's not moving. Feels good. Alright. Time for some cheese. So I do have the blade on that is the cheese grater. It does come with the... Oh, of course I wouldn't have them handy. The slicer. This is the slicer that does, like, I don't know, if you wanted to do slices of zucchini, make some zucchini roll-ups or lasagna or strips of whatever. And this is a fine grater. I would guess that would be for like Parmesan or something you wanted really thin. But this would be for typical cheese if you don't want to all night long. Here's the test. I had a huge block, a 2-pound block of cheese. So I had to cut it in chunks. It is kind of soft cheese. It's from Sam's Club. So we'll put this over. It is soft. This is the first time using it. I have no idea how this is gonna go. But here we go. If it's better than breaking your arm, then we'll see. Oh my god. If it's really done. If that's really done. I mean, how many twists was that? I mean, seriously. Seriously, how many twists was that? 5 at best. Okay, you're with me on this because I'm literally just as shocked as you are. It's done. It's done. There's your whole pizza. I mean, it's quite a bit. Quite a bit of cheese. I mean, in 10 spins at best. Okay, I'm a believer. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm a believer.